So I'm going to show you something you need to learn today, and I'm going to show you from this to this, and I'm going to show you this is supposed to be how it works, and I'm going to show you the game and how to understand the plan well. So let's dive in. So this is my image right now, and I'm going to show you every process and things you need to learn from this image to do the more research to get what you just need the process to work for you. So let's just start from the face. I'm going to take everything out, but I'm not going to start from here. I'm going to show you how to deal with these things. Okay, so first, the only thing you need to do right now is that try to get here and duplicate this image. Okay, and again, so make it 3. So when you get to this point, always make sure you return this to black and white like this. Turn it to black and white like this. So when you turn to black and white like this, so this is the first move. Then you move to high pass. So when you get to the high pass, hit OK. So when you hit OK, just come here. Okay, sorry. Just come here and choose this spot healing tool, healing brush tool. So when you get to this point, make sure you step on it to take all this out like this. And you can also use this to part 2. You can also use it to circle it and drag it to sideways. It's just cool, no mess up. So when you get to this point, yeah, so just want to use this tool to just take all this thing out. Okay, so this process is also cool, and you can learn too. Okay, so when you're done with it, okay, just make the opacity to around, to make it opacity around 78, and choose this brush, mix a brush too. When you get to this point, just use this to choose the face color. Mute this one and choose the face color, and bring this one out, and click the second one image. And make sure you choose the mixer brush too and start working on. Okay. So this is how you need to start and work with the process. Okay. Have you seen it? So cool and powerful. Okay, so just to work on this side. So when you get to this point, make sure you just fill all this opacity to 100 and turn this one to the brush. How you say, there's things we need to just clean off. So you go to the brush again and just work on it. Okay. So cool. So this method is so different and it's beautiful. It doesn't take much time. Okay, so let's see before and after, before and after. Okay, so when you're done with this, just add this together, highlight them and add them together, and hit Ctrl E to add them together. So when you get to this point, duplicate it again and again and hide this ones and keep this. And let's move to locate file. So when you get to here, we're going to straight the joy to make it look so calm in the mouth. So make sure you will take your time to work on, okay, in the mouth, okay. Take your time to work on and fill this side to make it straight. Okay. And here to arrange and make sure here is going to be so cool and straight. Okay. So then you just stretch this side a little bit, okay. Okay, and here too. Okay, so okay, have you seen the face? You can just control it and just arrange them well, and you can make it a little big. Then you hit OK. So let's see before and after, before and after. So when you get to this, try to just work on on the face popular. Then we just get to camera raw. So we're going to do the only one of two things over there. So when you get to here, make sure make sure you will just increase, and then you'll just turn this one down like this, okay, the blacks, and here to like this. You can follow the numbers and how to work on. And let's see before and after. Just a second, and let's move to vibrance to take it down like this. We just want to make it to look natural, and just before and after. So when you get to this, make sure you just increase this a little bit and move to color mixer. So we're going to change the tone, skin tone, to something cool like this, and let's okay. So it's going to make it like cool like this. So you can follow the numbers and also do the same thing too. Okay. Let's see before and after. Okay, and it comes to uptake and 10. Uptake and just push it this one a little bit. You okay? So when you get to move to the second one to make here look dark. Okay. Okay, something cool like this. Then you hit OK. So when you hit OK, make sure you just duplicate the image again and move to filter and blur. Gaza blur. So when you get to Gaza blur, make sure you just make it to 6.4 and hit it OK and turn normal to screen. Or this screen is dope. So when you get to the screen like this, so it's going to be something cool. So when you get to the screen, move to curve, and the curve here, you're going to turn this one down cool like this and hit OK. So let's check before and after. Okay, so very dope. And you add them together like this. So when you add this together, make sure you just select all the edges, okay, and move to the gallery and move to all this one, okay, to just make it look portraits image format, and just turn this blur a little down too much, and let's make it a little down. So when you get to here, make sure you just increase this to just blend that side and side, and here OK. So then Control D to remove the edges. And so guys, that's it. So this is what we just learned today, and I'm going to do a lot to show you how to work on the face and how the face is going to come out, and for you to just learn the basic and how to get everything you just need. So guys, to get to to get to like it and comment and follow me for more, and I'm going to see you for the next video again. Bye.